Byzantine fault tolerance. Byzantine fault tolerance is a security property that allows a distributed system to operate correctly and reach consensus, even in the presence of some of its components or nodes that may act incorrectly or even maliciously. This property is named after the famous problem of the Byzantine generals, where the participants must agree to a common action, even though there are traitors among them. In the Byzantine generals' problem, several generals and their troops must agree on a common plan of action. However, some generals may be traitors and try to confuse the others. The aim is to ensure that all the loyal generals agree on the same plan of action, despite the presence of traitors. It has been shown that to solve the Byzantine generals' problem in an asynchronous system, at least 2/3 plus one of the generals must be loyal, meaning at least 66.6% of the total generals. By relying on Byzantine fault tolerance, BFT, blockchain operates correctly if the majority, or rather, a certain percentage of the nodes, act honestly. The necessary percentage of honest nodes required to ensure security depends on the adopted consensus mechanism. For instance, in proof of work, the critical threshold is 51%. In systems based on Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus algorithms, the limit is usually higher, around 66.6%. Tendermint is an example of a protocol that utilizes Byzantine fault tolerance in blockchain to assure consensus. This consensus protocol requires the approval of a supermajority of nodes to validate transactions and produce new blocks. Based on Tendermint, the Cosmos blockchain was constructed, a network designed to foster interoperability among various independent blockchains.